Initially, one will want to set the instrument up for the zones that are being sampled, so we'll go there first. You hit the enter button, and that brings this up, just changes that to system setup, so you hit enter again, and then you want to navigate down to zones, so you push the down arrow key once, and then hit enter, and that will take you into the first zone setup. And just quickly getting through all the zones, you transition to the next zone by pressing the right arrow, and it comes across to the next page. So if you keep pressing the right arrow, notice this goes up to the maximum number of zones that are installed in the instrument. I won't go any further. We'll go back to zone 1, and let's just say okay, so what one sets up, there are two parameters. One, the distance of the sample tube to the sample point plus the total length of the exhaust, and that's a constant number. So let's say that in this zone we want it to be 50 feet, so we would go down here to 50, press enter, and then go like that, 2, 4, 5, and that's been set to 50 feet, and then you press the enter button to store that. And then the temperature of that zone is, in our example, going to be 15 degrees, so you hit enter, step over there, down to 1, enter to store that, and there are 100 stored data points per zone, so this would give you, every hour and a half it will store the reading. If you wanted it to, say, go 100 hours, you would change that to 60, or 1 hour, and then you will have 100 hours worth of data stored. A little more here takes you to the next page, and ordinarily one would not need to change the alarm levels. These are set high so they will not trigger unnecessarily. This is the last reading for the zone. If you want to clear that, you can go over to here and press the enter, and then that will become